What's up YouTube? What's up everyone? It's your boy Legit Advanced Idea, guys. If you know this is your first time watching my video, I need you to touch the subscription button right there and touch the notification button so that you'll be getting every update I'll be sharing with you guys. So firstly, you're welcome to my channel, and this channel is actually talking about relationship and how to advance with your relationship. I've been up for a while, like a couple of months and years now, simply because I'm trying to build my YouTube channel and I'm trying to build myself in some aspects. So guys, let's go to the video why we're here today. The video why we're here today is talking about how to make a girl fall in love with you deeply, more and more, without any thinking about you all the time, without thinking about each and everything about herself, only you. Now, this video is actually giving you a clue, and it's going to be giving you information related to ladies, and it's going to give you information related on how to advance and know the kind of person you are when dealing with girls. So the first part you need to understand is that ladies fall to quality guys that they see, not quantity guys. Now get this right. Once you have a quality and a lady find that quality in you, trust me guys, you're already attracted to her immediately. She set her eyes in you. Now, once you see a bad guy has this particular quality that drive ladies mad every single time. Now, a bad guy has a confident character. A bad guy have a sense of humor. A bad guy don't send ladies all the time. So good guys always send ladies call, text, I want to know how you doing, but bad guy don't have time. Now, this is an attraction, but you guys are missing it. Now, once you know this part, now let's go to the other part about ladies' information. Now, a lady fall in love with a guy that they see that they can rely on. One, a guy that they see that they can trust. That's two. How can you build trust with a lady? By making her fall in love deeply with you. The best way to build trust is by the first 2-3 statements you make about maybe doing something for her. Make sure you do that thing for her. The moment you build trust build in a second and also destroy in a second. Trust me guys, trust builds in a second and also destroy in a second. Now the moment you build a trust in a lady's heart, she's already falling in love with you gradually. Now the third part now will be sharing in this. Now once you understand that ladies around you love you, guys, ladies fall in love with guys that have sense of humor. You need to be very funny. I'm not talking about being funny, trying to force yourself to be funny. Just think about yourself, look about yourself, and think about what you need to advance in yourself. In an aspect dealing with ladies, you get to understand that you're even more funnier than most comedians. It's a simple fact, guys. Ladies are attracted to guys that are funny, and ladies are attracted to guys that have sense of humor, that are very matured. That's why you end up seeing them following older men, big men, trying to follow them because one, they fall in love with men that are mature because they have finance that they can take care of them with. And the second part is that they fall in love with men that are mature simply because of the sense. And they fall in love with a man who is mature simply because of the way he treats them. So you can't compare a young guy and a matured guy now. Now, if you want to try to deal with ladies, you need to be matured. Like, you need to make yourself mature and start focusing on your goals. Don't focus on her all the time. That's what you need to understand. Now, what people don't understand about relationship is that when a lady started falling in love with you, eh, she's not supposed to be telling you things you need to do for her before you do it as a man who has sense. For example, now she end up telling you that she need a she need a bag, or she need a clothes, or she need a shoe, or she needs something. You're the one as a man, you're supposed to know that, wow, my lady need this thing, I need to buy for her. Surprise her. Ladies love surprise a lot. They love when a man surprise them, do something that makes them feel so happy. Now, always make her feel like a queen. It's not about you going out, pulling the chair back before your lady can feel like a queen. There's different ways you can make your lady feel like a queen. You can be walking with her on the street and just drag her, hold her back. Sorry, guys. Hold her close to you and just give her a peck. Talk to her, smile with her, tell her something so funny in her ear. This kind of make her feel like a queen, especially when you're doing it when other ladies are there. Trust me, guys, there's a different sensation that is going to give you the moment you do this when other ladies are there, simply because you're making her feel the best that she could feel. Now, compliment your girl once in a while. Don't compliment her all the time. And when you try complimenting her, make sure your compliment comes with genuinity. Like when you look at her in the eyes and just say, "Wow, I love that hair." It's an attraction, guys, because you actually compliment her. But once you compliment her once in a while, she know you genuinely complimenting what you see, not just what you just look at. So it's you complimenting what you value, not just what you see. Sorry. Now, once you have this goal now, guys, please don't use it anyhow. Just use it with a wise brain. Like, don't try to start using my game and end up playing girls anyhow because it's not going to be cool because I won't like it. And if you know some of these things I've already shared with you guys, you've already done it, comment in the section below and tell me, yes, I've done this. Do you get me, guys? Now, if you know you're interested in a dating app, which you're looking for how to get a real relationship with different people worldwide, and you're looking for free dating app or free dating website, I'll be sending you the link on my description below. So, guys, sorry, guys, in my comment section below. So make sure you watch, make sure you see the comments and click on the link and register because it's actually free and it's created for singles worldwide to actually meet, have fun, video call for free, text for free without going for any thriller or try before while going for any subscription. It's actually free, guys. So I'll be sharing with you guys tomorrow or by next week because it's every Saturdays that I'll be promoting my video for you guys. I'll be publishing videos, new videos for you guys. So, but next week I'll be giving you guys the 8 triumphs of a bad guy that every girl cannot resist. Trust me, guy. 8 triumphs of a bad guy that any girl cannot resist. Trust me, guys. So if you know you're liking this video right now, touch the subscription button and also the notification button and touch the like button because it's gonna help me and it's gonna give me more sense that you guys are enjoying my video. Peace out. Thanks.